Railways across the world are changing faster than ever. From predictive maintenance to smart signaling and autonomous operations, digitalization and artificial intelligence are no longer optional, they're essential. If you want to stay relevant in the modern railway ecosystem, this course is for you. Traditional railway systems are being transformed by data-driven decision-making, automation, and AI-powered technologies. However, many professionals still lack clear, structured understanding of how AI and digital tools are actually applied in real railway operations. This course bridges that gap, simply, practically, and professionally. Digitalization and use of AI in railways is a free, expert-designed course that introduces you to how modern railways leverage digital technologies and AI to improve safety, efficiency, reliability, and passenger experience, without overwhelming you with complex jargon. This course is ideal for railway and metro professionals, engineering students and fresh graduates, signaling rolling stock, OHE, operations and maintenance engineers, professionals preparing for global railway projects or competitive exams, anyone curious about how AI is shaping the future of rail transport. In this course, you'll gain insights into digital transformation in railway systems, role of AI in signaling, operations, and maintenance, predictive maintenance and condition-based monitoring, AI-driven traffic management and asset optimization, cybersecurity considerations in digital railways, real-world use cases from modern railway and metro networks. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand where and how AI is used in railway systems, interpret digital railway concepts with confidence, connect traditional railway engineering with modern digital solutions, speak knowledgeably about AI-driven rail technologies in interviews, projects, and professional discussions. On successful completion, you'll receive a certificate from Zenith Railway Academy, an institute recognized in Canada through TRACIS Achilles accreditation and certified under ISO 9001-2015 and ISO 21001-2018 standards. This ensures global credibility, quality education, and industry relevance, giving your profile a real professional edge. The future of railways is digital. Start your journey today with this free course on digitalization and AI in railways, only from Zenith Railway Academy. Enroll now and stay ahead of the curve.